The average human spends 4 years of life on chores. What if nature volunteered to give that time back? As the sun rises each morning, a patient and gentle forest friend makes sure you greet the new day. Your first meal of the day is delivered by a dedicated team of brilliant tiny engineers who love complex systems. Every broken faucet and loose screw is fixed by the forest's most reliable and serious contractor wearing a tiny hat. Your lost phone, keys or glasses are always recovered by an expert forager with infallible memory and sharp eyes. Your overwhelming daily schedule is managed by masters of logistics who believe in perfect order and collective tireless effort. Important reports and letters are printed by a skilled natural percussionist, providing instant, completely biodegradable copies directly from a tree. Clean laundry is hung by a highly coordinated aerial squadron, performing a graceful and precise ballet high above the ground. Your small balcony garden flourishes under the constant tender care of a surprisingly gentle giant with a very green thumb. Every speck of dust is removed by a clever and elegant specialist using its own fluffy, luxurious tail as a tool. Your morning espresso is perfectly prepared by a natural dam-building expert who truly understands pressure, flow, and perfect extraction. Letters and packages arrive via lightning-fast couriers with endless energy and a natural talent for making rapid, precise deliveries. Floors are kept spotless by a self-propelled, spiky collector that is essentially nature's own perfect and efficient cleaning machine. Cooking dinner becomes a fun, collaborative effort, led by a tiny, highly enthusiastic and surprisingly skilled crew of rodent chefs. Your perfect reading light is provided by a living lamp, powered by a gentle swarm of softly glowing magical insects. Your pantry is stocked with fresh vegetables found by an expert underground miner who locates the finest hidden tubers. Your exercise routine is led by the undisputed master of slow, controlled, mindful, and supremely energy-efficient physical movements. Each evening, a beautiful and complex sunset symphony is performed by a full avian choir to gently signal bedtime. Nighttime tidying is done by silent acoustic engineers who navigate and organize your home using precise pulses of sound. Minor injuries are treated with a compassionate cross-species collaboration of antiseptic care and strong biodegradable hand-woven web bandages. Your stress is melted away by a playful aquatic therapist specializing in fun distractions and smooth, calming worry stones. Relaxing ambient sound is provided by a live, zen-like performance from a pond-based percussion band with flawless rhythm. Snow and ice are cleared by a hardy community of experts perfectly adapted to the coldest, iciest winter conditions. True household harmony is achieved when natural adversaries become your coziest, most trusted, and peaceful bedtime sleeping companions. Every modern home transforms into a thriving, collaborative mini ecosystem where daily chores become gentle acts of cross-species friendship. Imagine living in a world where every single daily task is a delightful and magical cross-species collaboration. Please subscribe now.